Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, I am so happy to announce that my workshop in Paris and in the Mont Saint-Michel is back. Because of COVID, I've not been able to do it for like 2 years now. But people are traveling again and we can travel again. So you can join me in an incredible photography adventure. Now, I must warn you, there's only 20 seats available and they go pretty fast. What is Paris in spring? I'm going to do 2 weeks for now. One is going to be on the 21 May to 28 May. It's 7 days. It includes a really nice 4-star hotel in Paris next to Notre Dame. That's included. You can come with a friend or with your wife or with your husband. That's free of charge. Then that also includes every night we have a nice fine dinner in a beautiful French restaurant. That's also going to be included in the price. You can get a really good $1,000 off if you pay now. We're going to rent buses to go to the Mont Saint-Michel. We're going to go to the restaurants. There's more restaurants that will be paid as part of the Mont Saint-Michel trip in the middle of the week. That's all included also. Basically, the idea of the way I do the workshop in Paris is you're free in the morning to do whatever you want. Sometimes we do get up for sunrise though, depending on the weather. But normally you have the morning off, you have your lunch off, and it starts at 2 o'clock where we retouch photos together for a couple of hours in the hotel that we shot the day before. Then we take some photos before dinner. Now, because it's in May and June and the sunset is very late, what we do is we do some photos, then we have an amazing French dinner all together, and then we go again to get the photo after the dinner until really late. And then next morning, you guys are off. It's like that, except when we go to the Mont Saint-Michel. The Mont Saint-Michel is incredible. It's one of the most iconic places to get photography that I've ever been. So we're going to go to the Mont Saint-Michel. We go up early in the morning. We travel. And well, actually, let me walk you through the schedule. So day one, you guys arrive on a Saturday 21, for example, for that first week. We meet in a conference room. Because we are in Notre Dame, we're going to walk around, start taking some photos. It's my favorite area. It's the most fruitful area to take photos. Then the next day is going to be all about the Eiffel Tower. We're going to shoot the Eiffel Tower from different locations, from the Alexander III Bridge, from little small streets, stuff like you would never find by yourself. And same thing, we do some before dinner, we have dinner and some after dinner. So these are very long days. We usually finish like at 11 p.m. That's why it's starting so late, because it's 8 to 10 hours with me per day. But you still have the morning to rest and you can have lunch as much as you want. So day one is Notre Dame and the Seine River. Day two is the Eiffel Tower, of course. Day three is Montmartre, the oldest part of Paris. Also my second best spot, to take photos. Montmartre is just breathtaking. Then day four, it's going to be on Tuesday. The Louvre is finished, so we're going to be taking all the outside of the Louvre and different locations around the Louvre, which is perfect on a Tuesday. And then the next morning, we take a bus and we go to the Mont Saint-Michel, the most extraordinary place in France. The Mont Saint-Michel is like an island in the middle of the sea, where twice per year the sea comes back at the speed of a horse. It's full of quicksand all around, but I know my ways around and we never had any problem. I'll show you how we can walk around and avoid the quicksand and take amazing photos of the Mont Saint-Michel. Then we spend the night, we have a great dinner in the most traditional restaurant in the heart of the Mont Saint-Michel. The next day, we go to Saint-Malo. Saint-Malo is a really cool place. It's a fishing walled city. It's just a beautiful place to go. We have lunch there in a beautiful creperie because it's kind of like crepes. It's like the standard there. And then we drive back to Paris and we'll be very tired that day. And we might take some photo around the Seine River, best out of Paris. The next day is going to be the roof of Paris. We are going to go to the Tour Montparnasse all the way at the top and get this breathtaking shots of Paris. And then that's when we say goodbye. We also have a beautiful restaurant where we have incredible meat. I hope you like meat. There is other options, but meat lovers, you're going to love it. And that'll be Friday night and off you go. I promise you're going to get the best photo of in a long time. If not, I've had many people write me years after saying that week was the best photo they ever got in their life. In fact, this is a bit of an older video because I haven't done it in a while, but this is some testimonial of that exact program because it's been a while I haven't done this kind of workshop that's so intense where we go to Paris and we also do the Mont Saint-Michel. So here is what some people had to say who did it a couple of years ago.
The highlight of this trip was I think probably getting up early in the morning.
Just the whole package, the entire experience.
Just being around
fellow photographers that have a love of photography.
Photography level has moved up.
My name is Michel Jourdouin. I'm coming from Montreal.
My name is Bert. I live in Florida area, Gainesville, Florida.
My name is Rebecca Waters, and I'm from Southern California, around the Los Angeles area.
My name's Mark Llewellyn and I'm from England.
In everything you do, the only thing important is passion. And I think this man's got first that passion, and he has also all the generosity to transfer it to every student.
This helped me as a photographer by making me concentrate more on the photographs, the post-processing side, as well as taking the time to take the photographs.
And as a photographer, these kind of things get you to another level.
I definitely would recommend this to a friend.
I would absolutely recommend this to anybody. This has been a fantastic experience that I would love to do again.
Absolutely. I would recommend this workshop to anyone who's interested in photography, anyone who wants to see Europe or Paris. It's a wonderful trip.
I would recommend this workshop to anyone I know interested in photography, friend or no friend.
If you can afford it, go for it. And even if you can't, try to go for it.